What's up, guys? How's it going? This your man TJ, and in this video we're going to talk about what is Invoice Processing Elite, what is I.P.E, and what are the 21 benefits of becoming a member of this platform. Okay, what are the 21 benefits of becoming a member of Invoice Processing Elite? I'm not going to waste your time. I'm not going to fluff you. I'm going to give you the facts. Okay, I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. I'm not going to hype anything up. I'm going to give you exactly what you came for, a concise video, a detailed video. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, now benefit number one. What is the Invoice Processing Elite? It's a training platform that you have master resale rights to. Okay, now the training courses that you have access to are not your typical training courses. Some are PLR courses. You have about half of PLR courses, and the other half are courses from real six-figure earners such as myself. Okay, I've created courses. I went out and licensed courses from other six-figure earners, solo ad providers, and even I've licensed a course for offline. All right, not offline marketing, but a business model that you can solely run offline. He's generated over $300,000 with that business model alone. Okay, now what I'm going to do is show you some of the names of the courses that you have access to with Invoice Processing Elite. You have the affiliate marketing cheat code, how to sponsor more people, the 3T method, and the cash flow triangle, which is what I created. The cash flow triangle, most people have heard of the cash flow quadrant, but I've created what I call the cash flow triangle, which is daily income, residual income, and high ticket income, which those three pillars create the cash flow triangle. Okay, and I go more into detail inside of this training. My daily income goal course, that's a course I show people on. That's 10 tips that I learned that anyone that's marketing online should definitely learn, because those tips help me go from a regular person online to owning my own business, pretty much an authority figure online. Once you learn those 10 tips, the sky's the limit. All right, mailbox domination. The mailbox domination, I talk about, clunky mail, and I bought a course by the name of 3D Mail, and I've learned a lot of information from this, and I created another course based off of that information and put it inside of here. All right, that course or that membership right there, that was about $700 itself. So I did a small training on that. The SMS marketing course, the ad copy elite from the Traffic Masters course, that's about $1,000. That is a solo ad provider that I have partnered with over my tenure. He has a course on copywriting and ad copy. I licensed that course from him. That course is $1,000, right? That's a value of $1,000. The Smacking and Stacking course, which is my casino course. I've earned more than six figures in a casino recently with my tips and strategies. And the medical commodities course, all right? That's a course that's solely offline, and it teaches you how to buy and resell diabetic test strips for profit. Okay, now there is no training online that is as comprehensive as this course right here. The owner of that training is still selling that course for $1,000. Okay, so you have all of this information inside of the Invoice Processing Elite, and this is just benefit number one. All right, benefit number two, you have access to a replicated marketing system. So if you don't know how to make websites, if you don't know how to do coding, or you don't want to make pages for your team, we have a replicated website that does all the selling and telling for you. Okay, now we have 4 sales funnels. We have capture page 1, capture page 2. We have a sales funnel for postcard marketing. We have several postcards that I can touch on. We have several postcard templates, that I'm going to talk about a little later. We have several of those. We have, tons of value. Okay. All right. We have another sales funnel here. We have 2 sales pages. If you choose to create your own sales page, all right, if your own sales funnel, excuse me. All right. Now, Benefit 4, 5, 6, and 7 all come from the Ad Copy Bootcamp. All right. Now I'm going to go to the Ad Copy Bootcamp after I show you Benefit 4, which is about 500 headlines. Benefit 5 is 25 fill in the blank headlines. Benefit 6 is about 45 pre-written ads. Benefit 7, we have an ad for Craigslist for you, and we have training coming on that as well. I'm not really going to put that in here just yet as a benefit, but I do want to let you know I'm working on some Craigslist training. All right. And benefit 8, before I get to benefit 8, I'm going to show you the Ad Copy Bootcamp and what you have access to inside of the Ad Copy Bootcamps. All right. We have tons of information that will help jumpstart the conversation. We even have YouTube tags for those that like to market on YouTube. All right. Benefit 8, we have step-by-step training that will not only hold your hand while you're learning how to set it up. You don't have to worry about teaching whoever you invite. All right. You can just simply plug them into the training and they can go through the systems training that's already done for you. We have the back office overview, how to set your payment processes up in your profile, and everything that you need inside of here, right, in this back office. Okay. All right. Lifetime updates is benefit number 9. If I choose to create more trainings, just like I said, I'm working on a Craigslist training, which is not inside of this back office yet. But once I finish that training and finish that case study, finish the case study on the road signs that I'm working on, I'm always going to be updating this platform, whether I create the courses or I go out and find other successful people that choose to license their courses that want to be a part of the Invoice Processing Elite. You have lifetime updates. Okay. All right. This is a good one. Benefit number 10 is the Leads for Life program. Now, we have a company-wide traffic rotator that is a part for members, for paid members. Once you become, we have a company-wide traffic rotator for members once you become a part of the Invoice Processing Elite. Now, let me explain. Now, we don't have a paid rotator. This is, the company is not taking any personal sales. Okay. Now, what's going to happen is you may have your marketing link, and someone may choose to go to Invoice Processing Elite instead of going to your link directly. What's going to happen is someone that's a paid member will their page will show, and if that person decides to start, they may not have gone through your link, but they will have become a member of the Invoice Processing Elite. The idea is to just help people get, little traffic here and there. It's not the end all be all, but it is a benefit that you will be able to receive small amounts of organic traffic over time with the Invoice Processing Elite. All right. You will be able to generate leads for life with the Invoice Processing Elite. Okay, moving forward. Benefit number 11, you will be able to add your own third-party autoresponder, right? If you use Aweber, if you use GetResponse or MailChimp, you will be able to add a third-party autoresponder to the system. You will be able to add your own welcome video, okay? I'm going to show you what that looks like, what that area looks like. If you wanted to add your own welcome video to the system to introduce yourself, you can. All right. That's another benefit. That's benefit 12. Benefit 13 is on that same piece of software. You'll be able to add anything that you want, any banner. If you want to promote a banner, a company, if you want to promote any income stream of your choice, right? Anything that you want to add to the system. If you want to add any recommended Amazon products, whatever you want to add in this back office, you can add that, and you can do that in this section. You can add up to 15 different banners in this back office. All right. Benefit 14, you can add your social media sites. All right, same page, but you have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, SoundCloud, Twitch. I think one of these are Twitch and Spotify. I'm not sure what this is here, but you have multiple social media sites that you could add to this back office. Benefit 15, you can add unlimited, I'm gonna say that again, unlimited video trainings, pretty much whatever courses of your own. If you have courses of your own or playlists, you can have them inside of the back office of your own back office, and then you can share that with your downline. That's exclusive to you. This is a huge value when you become a member of the Invoice Processing Elite. Think about those people that wanted to make their own courses, their own trainings, or even their own systems, and didn't have the money to go out and build a replicated site. You can host that inside of your back office and share with your downline exclusively inside of the back office of Invoice Processing Elite. I'm going to show you. All right. They will just simply come to add or edit video courses. They will come here, and for instance, if they wanted to add a new course, they will just add a title, and I'll just say new course. You press save, and then you will come here to new course, edit. You add you a new, add you a thumbnail. You change the title. You add the video, and even if you wanted to send them to a third-party link, you can add the link there if you wanted to. You can add unlimited sections or videos inside of each course, and you can have unlimited courses. Basically, you can have unlimited video trainings and unlimited videos inside of those trainings. That's a huge value, right? Not only do you get the courses, you get software as a service as well, okay? All right, let's go. Let's keep it moving. All right, benefit 16, no monthly fees, 0 monthly fees. You don't have to worry about any nagging or recurring fees. There are no monthly fees with the Invoice Processing Elite. All right. Benefit 17, you get paid however you like. We have at least 10 different payment processors that we recommend that you could use. All right, I'm going to show you those. The 10 payment processors that we recommend you use, right? You can use debit card or credit card, mail, cash or the money order, Zelle, Cash App, Bitcoin, Venmo, Google Pay, Apple Pay, even Walmart to Walmart. All right, these are this right here. There's no reason why the person shouldn't be able to pay you. All right. Okay, benefit number 18, 100% commissions of $250. That's it. It's only $250 to join, plus a small hosting fee, and you earn 100% commissions of $250 every time, okay, someone joins you. And before I forget, there are no pass-ups, there are no split legs, there are no binaries, there are none of that. This is very simple, cut and dry. $250 a pop. Every time someone joins you, $250. All right. Benefit 19, you have the ability to promote multiple streams of income of your choice, and the system has 3 streams of income on the back end that will allow you to create your own cash flow triangle. Okay. Now, benefit number 20, you can earn $250 payments. Earn while you learn. I said this in the beginning, but you can earn while you learn. All right. Imagine being able to leverage a system that has the education there. You can learn from proven leaders, proven 6-figure leaders. All right. And still be earning a daily cash flow, building your own brand and authority in the process. Right. Okay. Benefit 21. This is, to me, the most, this should have been number one, all right? You can create your own economy and live life on your own terms. That's very important. That is very, very, very important. We all need to make a decision, right, to create our own economy. We are in a time right now where creating your own economy should be at the forefront of everyone's mind, because our economy is so volatile. Okay, now me learning these skill sets and allowing me to work online has allowed me to replace my income, and I want to help those. You don't have to replace your income. I highly encourage that you add a supplemental income to your bottom line, right? So if you would like more information on the invoice processing elite, I highly suggest that you get back to the person that referred you to this video, all right? Or click the button anywhere around this video. There may be a button in the YouTube description. If this is not on YouTube, if this is my sales page, there's a button somewhere around here. You know, fill in the email box or something to get more information so you can start earning those $250 payments. You can get access to this virtual classroom and start learning the proper information so you can take your business to the next level. All right, this is your man TJ, and I'll see y'all on the inside.